traveling the North Country Fair, where the winds sit heavy on the borderline. You see, for me, oh, so long. That's the way I remember her best. If you go on a snowflake storm, rivers freeze and summer ends, please see for me, she has a coat so warm to keep her from the howling winds. And I'm a wondering if she remembers me at all. As many times I've often prayed in the darkness of my night, in the brightness of my days. And I'm wondering if she remembers me at all. 'Cause many times I've often prayed in the darkness of my night, in the brightness of my days. So if you're traveling the North Country Fair, where the winds hit heavy on the borderline, remember me to the one who lives there, for she once was a true love of mine.